is that for us, art is actually a lifeline. There is no moment in my life where getting through something or finding out something or discovering something or changing as a person or as a professional has not taken place without art being involved and art leading me toward new ways to see things. And that's the main thing, is that art, when it is, this is where I'm, as a curator, I really, and an educator, I press this point. When presented in a certain way, in conjunction with important ideas, art can change us inside, and it also changes, in changing the way we see, it changes the way we think and feel, and then it changes the way that we talk about things that are important to us.